In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a simple and elegant navigation header for your website using Webflow. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure your header is both functional and beautifully styled, contributing to a professional appearance and a seamless user experience. To begin, you'll want to add a container that will serve as the backbone for your header. Start by dragging a div block onto the canvas. It's helpful to give it a clear name, such as header section, so things stay organized as your design evolves. Once on the canvas, apply padding to the sides. This will make sure there's a nice, even space for your content to breathe. Additionally, set a max width for the container like 1180 pixels. This keeps your design from stretching out too wide on large screens, maintaining a clean and contained look. Next, you'll need to add your logo. Within this container, insert a link block. This is where your logo will live, allowing visitors to always navigate back to your homepage with a simple click. Place an image element inside this link block to upload and display your logo file. This step ensures that your brand is visible and instantly recognizable to anyone visiting your site. Now let's focus on adding navigation links. Insert another div block to house these links. Inside this div, use either link text or link blocks to create your menu items. Style these links to match your brand, adjusting fonts, colors, and sizes to fit your theme. Once you're happy with the look of one menu item, go ahead and duplicate it for each page you want to include in your navigation menu. This will ensure consistency across your navigation items, contributing to a cohesive user interface. With your elements in place, it's time to align them properly. Select the overarching container holding both your logo and navigation links and set its display to Flexbox. This tool is incredibly handy for making responsive and well-aligned layouts. Use the Justify Between property to push your logo to the left and your menu items to the right on desktop screens. This arrangement not only looks professional, but also maximizes usability by making navigation straightforward and intuitive for visitors. To refine the user experience, add interactions to your navigation items and call to action buttons. Styling hover states adds an interactive quality, making it clear to users which elements are clickable. For call to action buttons, create an extra class and fine-tune its padding and border radius, giving it an inviting and attention-grabbing appearance. Finally, you'll want to create a standalone call to action button. Use a separate link block for this button and style it thoughtfully. Apply a background color that stands out and balance it with padding and a smooth border radius. This button should draw the user's eye and encourage action, whether it's to contact you, sign up, or make a purchase. By following these steps, you're well on your way to crafting a navigation header that not only looks great, but also enhances your website's overall functionality and user experience.